Hello, beautiful soul that clicked on my video today. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I am back with another wig show and tell, and today's wig is brought to you by Ashimary Hair. If you're interested in this wig, I'll be sure to leave the direct website link to it in my description box with other links that you just might find interesting. So when I received the wig, they send you some goodies with the package. I got this cute Ashimary gift bag. It's so cute. I definitely packed a gift in one of these before, so it definitely came in handy. They also sent a Ashimary teal silk robe. Let's see what's on the inside of the box. All right, so the wig came neatly packaged in this long clear Ziploc baggie. On the inside, I got a Ashimary bonnet. All right, so I got 2 HD wig caps, 3 pairs of strip eyelashes. They all come in different densities, which is really nice. They're really pretty as well. I got a edge brush / comb and glue applicator, some black and gold bobby pins, and this Ashimary edge band, which I love, you guys. This thing comes in handy. Like, Ashimary Hair is a genius for inventing these. It's funny because when I first got this, I thought they were sending me like free makeup sponges. So I was like, oh, that's so nice of them. They sent me makeup sponges. But when you put this on, it's supposed to go on the ears. And I already have one. And when I say it makes wearing the edge band so comfortable so I could wear it longer than I'm supposed to when I'm doing a melt, this was so thoughtful. Like, they are very smart. Very, very smart. And I also got this Ashimary little booklet. In the booklet, it talks about how to do returns and exchanges, how you could give your feedback, how you can contact them. They also give some pro care tips so your wig can actually last longer as well. Ashimary Hair was kind enough to send a 360 lace frontal wig. Behind the frontal, there are 2 combs plus another comb in the nape area. And what's really cool is the combs are removable. So you can remove them, or if you remove them but would like to insert them back later, it's so easy to insert back. You just slide it out and then slide it back in. On the inside of the wig, they sent a adjustable elastic band. This helped give the wig an extra secure, snug, flat fit. It also has little silicone stripes on it so it can be anti-slip proof. In the back of the wig, the sides of the wig come with Invisi straps. What I love about this, you just pull on it and it tightens the nape area of the wig. And while it tightens the nape area, it also helps the front of the wig contour to your forehead. So this is like the new wave, so you don't have to glue the back by the nape area. And it's so easy to unadjust it. You just take the stoppers, pull them out, and it helps loosen the nape area. So this is really good for a small head size, or any size really, because it's like a drawstring that will just contour to your head automatically. The cap material that the wig was made on have a light stretch fit to it. As for the lace of the wig, the lace is transparent and it comes pre-cut all around. The hairline of the wig come with kinky edges, and the hair texture is a kinky straight blown out texture. Wow. It's giving lion right now. But I wanted to show you guys what the wig looked like straight out of the package. And I see the potential. This is a lot of hair, but don't be scared because it has a lot of potential. Okay, so back to the Wigiana. So one of the main attractions with this wig is not only the texture, it's also the kinky edges. This wig comes with kinky edges. I believe the kinky edges is only in the front. There's no kinky edges in the back, which is okay with me. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the styling. For every section that I do on the wig, I pump a small amount of heat protectant serum and apply it to that row. And I use my Babyliss Prima 3000. The temperature setting that I have it on is 410 degrees. And I noticed when I was straightening the hair, it just made the hair look like more of a super kinky, straight blown out texture. It took out most of the waves that was at the roots of the hair. With this wig, you don't have to use a straightener. You can always use a blow dryer and blow out the hair. But I just wanted it a little bit more straight as possible because it's so thick that I don't want it to look so huge on my head. And when I do the frontal part, I just do small sections and I smooth it out with the hot comb row by row. As for the kinky edges, I comb them out and I lightly ran the hot comb through the hair of the edges, real light and quick, so it doesn't take away the kinky edges texture. To get the lace to match my skin tone, I am going to use the Hair World Lace Tint Mousse in the shade Light Brown. And I just pump some of this onto a paper towel. Then I dab some of the product onto my makeup brush and I apply the product underneath the lace. But I'm only going to apply it to the spots I will be showing, so that is the hairline and the parting space. So I tried the wig on to see how I would like it, and I felt like the kinky edges could have used some more straightening with my hot comb, and I'm also going to switch the part to a right side part. Alrighty now, so now we in action. And when I put the wig on my head, I'm doing a glueless install. So those Invisi straps in the back, like I said, you just pull it and take it and you can stick the rest of the strap underneath the wig. My only mistake was that I couldn't see the back, so I did not know all of my Invisi strap was not on the inside of the wig. But next time when I do wear this wig, I will be sure to make sure that I pick up my mirror and check the back to make sure those Invisi straps is in. But otherwise, it lays really flat onto the nape area, and I love how it has a snug fit to the head, even though it is glueless. Plus, the hairline is nice and flat, just like the back. Wow, this is one of the most natural, kinky, straight, blown out wig with kinky edges that I have ever tried. Like, the way the hair is, it is thick from root to tip. I don't know who head they used as an example to mimic this wig, but they did an excellent job. And then look at the kinky edges. My best friend called me And the whole time we was on the phone on FaceTime, she thought the wig was my natural hair until I took it down. And she was just so shocked because it looked exactly like her hair. Like, look at that. Glueless install, boo. Come through, Ashimary Hair. You guys did a great job. Plus, I have to give myself a pat on the back because doing this wig was like sculpting a big block of ice into a image. Like, you see the block of ice, and the ice have a lot of potential before it's sculpted, and boom, in the end it's just like, wow, magic. And I just feel the same way about this wig. Like, if you're a person that's looking for a natural kinky straight blown out wig, I 100% recommend. The length of the wig that I have is 20 inches and my height is 5'6". The color of this wig is a natural black color, and it is human hair, so if you want, you can dye the wig jet black. I love the fact that I was able to put this wig in a low ponytail. That is great, especially if you don't want the hair out and you still want it to look natural. It still gives off that natural look, not just because of the kinky edges, but because the back of the wig is nice and flat due to that Invisi strap that they inserted with the wig. My natural hair is a kinky texture, so I really love the fact that I didn't have to straighten my hair in the back to get it to blend or apply gel. It just matched the texture of the hair perfectly. And these edges is just wow. Wow. Like, it looks so real. So now I'm gonna do a quick little updo, and to do that while still keeping the wig glueless, I use that edge band that came with the wig, and I just take my time and work my way up with the hair and get it into a high ponytail. With this high ponytail, I wanted to do a bun, so I just took some bobby pins and pushed the hair up and made it kind of look like a croissant. OMG, I'm not even gonna lie. I love, love, love how this style came out. It took me back to my high school days because this was one of my favorite styles to do. And it just came out perfect, 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 perfect. Like, this looks like my real hair. It really, really do. When I was styling the wig, I didn't get any tangling. As for shedding was really low. So with this wig, it's one of those wigs that you might have to do a little customizing to get it to a natural style, but it's 100% worth it in the end. In today's video, this was a wig show and tell to showcase what this wig looked like from Ashimary Hair for anybody that's interested. And I just wanted to show you guys how I got my end results for anybody that was curious. Like always, thank you so much for taking time to watch. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, you guys. Be safe out there.